Hello guys and welcome to the channel. FENIX has sent me this CL27R, which is a very nice light, which has some nice features like a dual color chip and a long beam and let's call it a wide beam. The design of it is very nice. I have what I call the old one from last year. I also have a video of that one. I can put it up in the corner or down so you can check it out if you like. This one has not a removable battery, but this one has. And let's start with this battery because this is very interesting, because when I opened the box, maybe not the smartest one, but I did not understand what the heck this was. And it didn't say in the manual either. But be aware, this is the key you need to open the battery compartment. It has some protective foil on each side. Remove that one or else it will be very tight to open. So here it is. Insert it and you just turn it around, and it's very hard because of this O-ring. It is rated IP66, which is really nice. It's a heavy rainstorm. Battery is the well-known FENIX 5000 milliampere hours batteries. Fantastic. And they are of an excellent quality as well. There is this plastic tab on the bottom, which you need to remove. And then just insert it. Gold spring as usual. Tiny, tiny O-ring. Let's see if you can see that one. It is black, and there is a spare one included in this kit. Yeah. Made from very nice aluminum. I think it's called aircraft aluminum or something. And then we need this key to screw the cap back on, and when you hit the O-ring, you will feel tension. It's very strong. No, hard tension. But there we go. Then you have 3 buttons. You have one on top, which short press and you show the charge. If you long press it, you get the red one, and press again, the red blinking. And it changes every time you press it. Long press, shut off. On this side, you have a switch, a rotary switch, which then turns on the main beam. And this one is a strong one. 1,600 lumens, 180 meter reach. Fantastic. And the other buttons, you have a button on this side, which you can click, and then you cannot click this one. My fault. This one you can tune the color of the light from cold to warm. This is the cold one, and then you go to the warm one. I'm just in the middle. If you click on this top button, you get light just in the middle. Or if you click it one more time, you have both. One more time, you're back on the tunable white one, warm and cold. This one is not possible to change the color of. Nothing is happening, but the dimming is working. You see, there we have it. This is a strong one. Very strong spot. This is making the 180 meters, I think. And this one makes a bigger, wider beam. And then just the one wide beam. Design is very nice. Like I told you, aluminum, and you have a handle with a very strong magnet, and you can turn the light around it. There's nothing that holds it back. That is nice. With the old one, like I call it, this one also can be turned around. What more can I tell about it? Yes, it has a fast speed charger, which I can show you in a few seconds. And like I told you, I really love this design. find it very, very nice. Front is made from aluminum, like a cooling surface for the LED, I guess, and the back is plastic. But then again, very solid plastic. Has a 1/4" screw, which is again nice if you're doing YouTube videos or anything else. You get the hands free. How nice is that? You have to love it. The old one also has the same screw. Okay, let's test the charging before we go into the dark room and see how this is working. Okay, the included charging cable. And here there is a battery hatch, which is made from rubber, USB-C. And let's put it inside there and see. Look at this. And also on top here. 15 watt. This is a fast charger without doubt. Let's test the magnet of the, let's call it the old and new one, and see how that works. Very strong. Okay, this one feels maybe stronger. Okay, let's put it that way. Yeah, I think the old one is stronger, but this is still strong enough. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay, this is off, completely dark, and click is on. Maybe I have not adjusted the camera correct, but here we go. Turning it on, you can see the very wide beam, and I can adjust the temperature from cold to warm. If I press the top button, you get the narrow beam, which is very concentrated. This one cannot be adjusted, but you can adjust this intensity. Click one more time and you have both. Then you can adjust the surrounding light with warm and cold and full power. And then just the wide beam, which practically lighting up the whole room compared to the spot one, which is very concentrated. This is maximum setting of the wide beam. And you can tune the colors to very warm, close to orange, and very cold. Okay, and then you have the center beam, long beam. Yes, and center and the wide beam. Looks amazing. Full power. And then you can of course dim it. Okay. The red one. Okay, that was not the best, but that is of course made for close. And of course then you have the blinking red. I just want to say thank you to Tele Astro, which are sponsoring this video and also have sent me all these flashlights and lanterns. They also have a lot of other things in their shop, so I will recommend you to check it out. I have provided links for it, yeah, the usual places, down in the description and up in the corner, so you can click and see. They have binoculars, scopes for hunting rifles and so on. Even star, what do you call it? Star, kikkert. Ja, det får vi ta siden. Okay guys, there you have it. Really love this one from FENIX CL27R. Fantastic lamp. You can't help loving it. Feels nice in the hand as well. Well, thanks for watching guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.